Welcome to First Energy Solutions. If you're looking to beat the heat or stay warm in the cooler months, you're in the right place. I'm from First Energy Solutions, and today we're talking about how our air conditioning systems can revolutionize your home comfort. Whether you live in a scorching hot climate or a chilly one, our air conditioners are designed to keep your home at the perfect temperature all year round. But here's the exciting part. With First Energy Solutions, you're not just getting an AC, you're investing in a holistic energy solution. Benefits of our air conditioning systems: energy efficiency. Our units are top of the line, designed to use less power while delivering maximum comfort. This means lower energy bills for you. Integration with solar power. Did you know that when paired with our solar systems, your AC can run effectively for free? That's right. Harness the power of the sun to cool or heat your home without adding to your electricity costs. Battery backup. Even when the sun isn't shining, our systems can use stored battery power to keep you comfortable, ensuring you're never left in the cold or heat. Year-round comfort. Our air conditioners double as heat pumps, providing efficient heating in winter, making them a versatile choice for any climate. Custom solutions. At First Energy Solutions, we tailor our installations to your home's specific needs. Whether you need a system for a small apartment or a sprawling estate, we've got you covered. Ready to transform your home into a haven of comfort while saving on energy costs? Contact First Energy Solutions today for a free consultation. Let's make your home not just comfortable but energy smart. Check out our website or give us a call to learn more about how we can service your needs with our innovative energy solutions. Thanks for watching. Stay cool, stay warm, and stay powered by First Energy Solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next video.